Robert Shaw here with Solar Tech and another lightning lecture. Today we're talking about the solar tax credit. Everybody knows it'll be stepping down. The question is when, by how much, and how does it affect you? In this video, we're going to be giving you a detailed breakdown of how to maximize your tax credit for your solar installation. First and foremost, the most important thing to remember, December 31st, 2019. That is the end of the 30% tax credit. Your system must be installed and activated by December 31st to get the full 30% tax credit. Come 2020, that's going to step down to 26%. 2021, 22%. 2022, 10%. And how about 2023? Nothing. What does that mean for you as a consumer? Well, if you go solar in 2019, you're going to see a $9,000 tax credit. Keep in mind, this is a dollar for dollar tax credit. Uncle Sam is helping you out because you're helping the planet out. 2020, that is a $7,800 tax credit. $6,600 in 2021 and $3,000 in 2022. 2023, say it with me. Absolutely nothing. You're paying full retail price for that solar panel system there. So to give you an example, we're going to take an average project cost of about $30,000. That is going to leave you here with $21,000 net cost for that solar panel system. Come 2020, you're going to be paying $22,200. Come 2021, you're looking at $23,400. 2022, well, that math is really easy. $27,000. And then the easiest math right here, 2023, you're paying $30K for that system. What does this tell us? Well, the number one complaint that I hear from customers after they've gone solar is that they regret that they didn't do it sooner. This is a perfect motivator for you to go solar now. If you're thinking about it, give us a call. Talk to one of our solar experts. We'll size a system for you. We'll make sure that everything is exactly the way you need it to be. Go talk to your tax advisor. They can explain all of this to you. They can also help you file for that tax credit. If you're looking into solar, look at Solar Tech. We make energy easy for you.